So as you know, most of the tutorials at Shabby Fabrics are how to make a quilt block, a technique, maybe how to assemble a quilt top, but we rarely talk about batting, but it's now time. We all get our quilt tops done and then we're reaching for batting. Batting matters. Well, Shabby Fabrics knows that the highest quality batting is just as important as accurate and precise patchwork. We all know how important batting is. It gives it the nice, soft, and cozy feel. It gives it warmth. Batting is so important. Well, we went ahead and had something beautiful manufactured exclusively for Shabby Fabrics called Halo Loft. It is truly heavenly soft in a variety of sizes. We have 100% cotton, 100% bamboo, and even an 80-20 blend in a variety of sizes, including crib, throw size plus, twin, full size queen, and of course king size as well. So as I said, batting is so important. Our focus is always on let's get that quilt top done, but hey, let's have that batting discussion. And I know for me, when I'm choosing the batting for my next quilt, I want the batting to be just as important, just as thought through as I do with those fabrics that make that amazing quilt top in the first place. So for your next project, be sure to choose Halo Loft for finished quilts that are heavenly soft.